Hi, I'm Tracy from Pinnacle Sales Group. I'm here to tell you about the Fulgor Milano Coffee Machine. When you're ready for your first cup of coffee of the day, all you need to do is turn on your coffee machine. The power switch is on the underside of the control panel. It just takes a few moments for the machine to heat up and rinse. Once the heating process is complete, you'll place your mug, choose the strength of your brew, choose the size of your cup, and hit start. From start to finish, the entire process should take less than 2 minutes. And as quick as that, your morning coffee is ready to go.